Good morning, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with a short lecture video on Chapter 15 and the Assignment 3 Jobs Package. I believe I did review the process to submit and peer review your drafts to Google Drive. So I believe I don't need to review that once again. But I wanted to take some time to talk about the components in the Chapter 15, the Jobs Package assignment. Let me pull up my PowerPoint here. I know we covered the resume extensively in class, although we never did get a chance to cover the textbook sections in the team building activity. Um, I believe that we were able to get enough of information from the chapter out about the resume, so that should be sufficient. What I'd like to take a minute and talk about is the cover letter or letter of application. This is a correspondence format, so make sure that it is formatted according to the correspondence that we were able to utilize in assignment number 2. Side note, I am in the process of grading with all the conversion of courses to an online format, videos and schedules and the whatnot. And I am a bit behind on those, and I should have those wrapped up either today, Wednesday, the 18th, or by Thursday, the 19th. Try to get you some feedback before you head into the drafting of the jobs package. So anyway, in the opening paragraph, you want to indicate how you heard about the opening. State your job objective and interest in the job, and mention the exact job title so all parties concerned know exactly which job you are applying for. In the body, you want to cite project and previous employment experiences that demonstrate your qualifications for the job. Now, I want to be clear. You need to show prospective employers, not just tell them of your qualifications. How can you demonstrate proficiencies through experiences and projects? Indicate how your college coursework, your degree, and pertinent training add to your qualifications for the job. Um, are there specific courses that might contribute to your expertise that an employer wants to pay you for? Refer always to the your resume. All right. Explain how your qualifications and achievements can contribute to the prospective employer. If you are qualified and you can contribute, tell them how you can contribute. That's really most employers. In fact, when I was hiring in the mortgage industry years ago, I always asked one question if it wasn't clear: what can you do for me? How much business could you bring me? How successful were you? So the idea here is employers are always interested in knowing what you can do for them. In your close, remember, you're looking for like a goodwill closing. You want to always request an interview. If you do not ask for one, you may never get an interview. Provide your phone number and email address so that you can be contacted, and just end with a goodwill statement, right? Okay, I look forward to hearing from you and interviewing and sitting down with you or your team. Um, I really would enjoy working at your company, right? Figure 15-22 in the textbook is a picture here, example of a recent college graduate applying for a graphic design job. So you want to look at the format for this. It is in a correspondence format. You want to make sure that you take a good look at this particular example in the text, right? So I want to scroll over to the follow-up correspondence. Okay. The follow-up correspondence is always an appreciated note from yourself to your employers or prospective employers. So here's an example, of expression of appreciation. Thank you for the opportunity to talk with you about the computer hardware specialist position that is currently available at Kirby Engineering. I enjoyed learning more about Kirby's manufacturing processes. Gave me even more of an understanding how much the company depends on innovative and well-maintained computer systems. Please extend my thanks to all who participated in the interview team. Oftentimes, when you apply in your interview, there's always a team that's involved. So, you want to express that you look forward to the opportunity to speak with you again soon, and you want to make sure that you leave them with a goodwill close. I can contribute to the team environment of your department. So, leave your contact information again. Once again, it is a 3 paragraph structure for the correspondence format. Whether you do this in a correspondence format like a letter or an email, doesn't matter to me. Some of the examples certainly demonstrate the email format. So, if you have any questions about the parts between the cover letter, the resume, and the follow up, remember one page and one document in the Google Drive account so that everybody can review. The peer review report is uploaded in a Drive account so that way everyone can participate with members in your group. I had one email asking how everybody kind of gets a hold of email addresses and contacts each other. There is a send email function in the course menu where you can email everyone. So look for those folders and drafts and reports over the next few days. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Stay safe and wash your hands.